At Geoprobe, one way we provide top service is by having a wide range of resources at our fingertips. Schematics for every Geoprobe rig, including legacy machines and older models, are available to our team to reference while on call. Skilled technicians are located closer to you than ever, with expertise not only on Geoprobe rigs but on other brands as well. Each of our service locations keeps parts stocked in-house to better serve you. And we continue to invest in equipment to produce more parts in-house, helping to reduce downtime. Service at Geoprobe is a team effort, and that includes more than just our service teams. We work with our engineers, assembly technicians, production, and purchasing to manufacture solutions, source additional parts, and to get your rig up and running as quickly as possible. Whether for basic maintenance or last-minute repairs, the Geoprobe team has your back to keep you and your equipment in the field. For more information, visit our website or give us a call at 785-825-1842.